going to cook today a meat, fry the meat with the potato and the carrots. Here's our minced meat, the mushroom and the garlic. We're just going to fry this one. Baby love this one also. I'm cooking today a meat fry with the potato and carrots with the mushroom. Ipa-fry mo lang yung mushroom first with the garlic, tapos dagdag mo yung meat, and then after that, paglagay mo ng meat para mag-separate yung minced meat, lagyan mo ng konting tubig. I-cover mo siya before mo ilagay yung potato tsaka carrots. I thought I was filming already when I started, but when I check it, it's not. Crazy. And then we add a little bit of water because it's going to cook our carrots. Leave it until it will be soft, the carrots and the potato. Check natin. We check it if it is cooked already. The carrots and the potato, and then we can turn off the fire already. Soft na siya, pati yung potato. Easy.